Has this ever happened to you?
This couch is so cramped. How come we need one couch with 3 people? This is so inconvenient. Who smells that? Deodorant.
It probably has. Luckily, our experts here at Innovative Technologies have patented the revolutionary chair.
Why would you need just one couch when you're so cramped? Instead, you could have just 3 chairs. Look at this! A chair!
We tested our chair in front of a nearby Walmart to see the results we got from our customers. And we got some good results.
Oh my god, the chair! Oh, I love these. I wanted one all my life. Ooh. They feel so special.
It's so comfortable. I wanted one since Christmas. This is so convenient. I can't believe it. It's so soft. It's so spongy.
I'm tired of having to sit on a couch when I'm all cramped with 3 people next to me. I would much rather have this convenient chair all to myself. Woof.
Subscribe.